Okay, so let's go ahead and make the camera look in the same direction in which the player is moving. For that, on the Minimap script right down below, we will say transform.rotation, which will be the Minimap camera rotation. This will be equals to quaternion dot Euler. For the X we will pass 90f. Then for the Y we will pass player dot Euler angles dot Y, and then for the Z we will pass 0. Okay, and that will be it. Then if you save the script and get back to Unity, okay, make sure that you attach the player right there. Okay, we already have done that in the previous video. Then if you play the game now, you will notice that the main camera is rotating in the direction of the player rotation, as you can see. Okay, and as you can see, it looks even more good now. Okay, so if you want to do the same, okay, if you want the the Minimap camera to rotate in the same direction as the player, then just simply type this one line of code. But if you don't want the Minimap camera to rotate in the direction of the player rotation, then you can just comment this out or just remove this whole line. But it looks good, okay, when the Minimap camera rotates in the direction of the player, it looks good. Okay, so in this way you can add rotation, and with this done, let's end this video right here.